Ready to skyrocket your online presence and win over customers with the power of social proof? Today, we're going to walk you through linking your Trustpilot account to your Google My Business profile, step by step, so potential customers see those shining star ratings right in Google search and on Google Maps. This boosts in visibility and credibility. It's a game changer for local SEO. First, log into your Trustpilot business account. Make sure you have administrator access. This is crucial for making changes and connecting to other platforms. Navigate to integrations, which is usually found in the settings or account section of dashboard. Next, open a new tab in your browser and sign into your Google My Business account. Confirm that the account is verified and that you have primary owner access. Back in your Trustpilot account, search for Google integration options. It might be labeled Google My Business, Google Seller Ratings, or simply Google. Click on the one that allows you to connect to Google My Business. You'll be prompted to authorize Trustpilot to access your Google account. Be sure to select the correct Google account associated with your Google My Business listing. Now, you'll see a list of your business locations in Google. Select the specific Google My Business listing that you want to connect to your Trustpilot account. After selecting the right one, confirm your selection and click the Connect or Authorize button. And you're done. Trustpilot will now sync your reviews and star ratings with your Google My Business listing. It usually takes a few days for the star ratings to appear, so be patient and keep encouraging your customers to leave reviews. By connecting these platforms, you're boosting your online visibility and credibility, driving more traffic to your business. Remember to monitor your reviews and engage with your customers to build trust and a loyal following. Good luck.